guys, it's Naya back with another YouTube video, and I hope you guys like this lighting though. Like, it looks so good. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make slime with sticky slime. I'm gonna show you guys how to make sticky slime for the people who like sticky slime. So anyways, let's get started. So what you'll be needing is something to put it in. I'm putting it in this because I'm just gonna make a little bit because I don't like sticky slime. Yeah. Jelly soap. I call it jelly soap. Jelly soap is just any soap that you mix up, it turns into slime, or it's already slimy before and stuff. You're gonna be needing Glade air freshener. You're gonna be needing Hawaiian Breeze because this one really works. Soap and water. And just some salt. So anyways, oh yeah, and you'll be needing something to mix it with. Where's my mixing thing? Let me get it. Well, oh, here it is. And I'm just gonna be using a straw. I just ripped it off because I could just do it like that because it's just gonna be a little. So first thing you gotta do is you're gonna take your soap and just okay, then you just squirt some soap in. I did 3 pumps, I think. And then when you're done with that, mix it up so you can activate the slime. And you can see. And it's already sticky. And that's good because it's going to be sticky slime. And then when you're done with that, you take your air freshener. And the air freshener just thickens it up or something. Then just mix it all up. See, it's thickening. And getting like in a big ball. And this is like a bugger color. I'm just gonna spray a bit more. Where did I? Oh, here we go. And then when you have done that, it might be looking something like this. And then when you're done, add in some soap. Oops, I added too much in, so I'm just gonna pour a bit out. I didn't even squirt anything, it just like started coming out. And I'm just going to mix it up. Then it's gonna be very sticky. That's very sticky. And I'm just gonna add in a bit more air freshener so it thickens up again, like this. And then get some salt, put it in your hands like that. You'll be needing a pinch. Here's a very tiny pinch, so then I'm just gonna pour all that up in. Because if you add, oh, there's a bee. Oh, that's just a fly. And I'm outside. Ugh, these flies. I wish flies couldn't get near you. I wish flies just didn't like people. Well, probably they don't. You can see it's very sticky. I'm just gonna add in a bit more air freshener. Like that. I'm just going to mix it all up. And I'm just going to add in a little bit more of the soap. Oh man, I missed. Really? Yeah. There. And now I'm just going to mix. Ooh! I did it a little bit more. Air freshener. Oh, I'm sorry, that's these things. Yes, we have a whole bunch of them. Woo! Anyways, here, and you could put this in your freezer for 10 minutes. And that's what I'm going to do. And while that's going to be in the freezer for about 10 minutes, I'm going to make a slime just on the table. So I'll be right back. They're not. Okay. If that took so long, I'm sorry. But anyways, we're gonna make another one. I know this is gonna work because I know stuff. And then we're just going to put salt, and also I forgot to say, put in a little bit of that jelly soap. Sprinkle a bit of salt, and as you can see, the salt disappeared in it. You can't really see it. I'm sorry if I'm breathing so hard. I just ran, so then I didn't have to take so long. I just added in another pinch to get it more slimy. And also, probably this might be sticky or might not. I think this will kind of be sticky though. See? It's very sticky. I'm just gonna add in a little bit more. I'm gonna add half of this in, so then I can just see the rest. I put the rest over here. And then I'm just going to mix it all up. As you can see, mix all together. And all the pieces are all clumped up. And then, after that, you can add in some soap water. And this stuff just came pouring out. But now it's not doing it. So, there. That would be enough, because now you can see it's kind of getting kind of watery. See? Just keep on mixing that until it's not so watery, or until it looks something that's really thick, like something like that, but a bit more mixing. This looks like a bigger color on the camera, but off the camera, it just looks clear. I don't know why, but it just does. Now we can add a bit of air freshener. I'm not going to spray it all the way. I just sprayed it just a little. And boom. Here is your sticky slime, not in the freezer. This is what it looks like when it's not in the freezer. So now I'm going to be right back and go get it. we got it out the freezer. So I'm gonna show you this one. Here it is out the freezer. And it's still sticky. So now I'm just going to place it onto my wooden table thing. Try to get all of that out. So I'm gonna show you what both of them. Wait, I gotta back this up. This is the one that I didn't put in the freezer. This one looks not sticky, but this one is very sticky. Because if you like very sticky slime, you're gonna like this one that I put in the freezer a lot. And it's very it's like gushy. Like those gushers, or whatever. Now I'm going to combine these two together. So I'm just going to put both of these right next to each other and just mix it up. And oops, sorry guys, if you see it. This is what it looks like when you combine the two together. It comes into this big blob that's very sticky, because sorry, that's the one that's making all those things clap. And boom, this is sticky slime. And I hope you guys like this video and subscribe and share it with other people. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.